Like it's like a sports bag actually, but like a clean sports bag, I guess.
like a men's, almost like a men's cologne, like if you will, right?
Ew. I'm going on my lip.
She's gonna we're eating deodorant, guys. Now this is the evergreen. Oh my god, it's like living in pine cone forest.
I love that smell.
You could take these home with you then. I'll share. Right? Oh my god, right? They smell like,
They do.
if you could just look by these pods, how much cleaner.
It is. It's not like that heavy, like it's very.
Plastic, like they're great.
And you throw one of these in.
Oh.
I know. Look at like they're clear. You know what I mean? Like
Uh-huh.
look clear.
It just looks
Like
cleaner.
gentle. It does look much cleaner.
Great for sensitive skin, guys. These are just
And you just pop one of these in. Just
way better than using your typical store brand. Again, plant-based, light-lasting fragrance. You can use it in cold and hot water or warm. Hygienic clean. 10 times the ultra cleaning power, color protection, 4D stain remover, fabric care, soft and gentle, odor eliminating with pink Himalayan salt. Effective and joyful laundry experience. This is really cool.
And there's only 2 directions. Put it deep in the inner cycler of the washing machine. And you put your clothes in and start washing.
That's amazing.
That simple.
Now, I'll do a true test. I'll use them once or twice for you guys and see. No, that goes in that one. That's a sports.
No, this is the Everclear.
You sure? Oh, you're right. Okay. We're mixing up our scents here. And I'll let you guys know how it goes with the laundry. If I feel, sometimes the Tide Pods get stuck. They don't melt all the way.
And they don't melt. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Super. Yeah.
So annoying. So
with the
let's
powders,
see.
I don't like the powder so much.
Yeah.